Do you think too much when you speak English? Do you stop in the middle of a sentence? You don't need to think more. You need to speak more. Let's practice English the simple way.
Sometimes the problem is not English, it's thinking too much. You start a sentence, then you stop. You think about grammar. You think about pronunciation. And the moment passes. But real conversations don't wait. People don't think about rules. They just speak. Today, we're going to do the same. Less thinking, more speaking. Just listen, repeat, and let the words flow. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. Listen carefully and repeat with me. When I speak English, I don't need to think about every word. I let the sentence come out naturally. I don't stop myself in the middle. I finish what I want to say. If my sentence is simple, that's okay. Simple English works. I don't translate in my head. I trust the sounds I hear. If I make a mistake, I keep going. I don't go back. I speak with a calm rhythm. I don't rush my voice. Each sentence helps me speak more freely. Each repetition makes me more confident. Right now, I am thinking less. Right now, I am speaking more. Stay relaxed. Listen first, then repeat with me. When someone asks me something, I don't panic. I give myself a second. I can answer with simple words. I don't need a long sentence. If I don't know the perfect word, I use another one. The idea is more important. I stay present in the conversation. I listen and respond. I don't think about rules while speaking. I focus on meaning. If I pause, it's okay. Pauses are natural. People understand me when I speak calmly. They don't need perfection. Each real moment is practice. Each moment helps me improve. Right now, I'm speaking with less effort, and it feels better. Slow down your breath. Relax your voice. Listen and repeat with me. When I speak English, I focus on the flow. I let my words connect naturally. I don't separate every word. I speak in groups of words. I allow my voice to move smoothly. I don't force the sound. If I forget a word, I keep going. I don't stop the sentence. I use what I know right now. That is enough. I speak at a calm, steady pace. I don't rush. My voice sounds more natural when I relax. I can hear the rhythm. I trust my ears. I trust my mouth. The more I repeat, the easier it feels. The less I think, the better I speak. Right now, I am in the flow. Right now, English feels easier. Stay present. Listen calmly. Repeat with me. When I'm in a conversation, I stay relaxed. I don't try to sound perfect. I listen to the other person first. Then I respond naturally. I can start with simple phrases. That's enough
to keep the conversation going. If I agree, I say, "Yeah, I agree." If I understand, I say, "I see." If I need time, I pause. Pausing feels natural. I don't translate in my head. I respond to the meaning. Even if my sentence is short, it works. Communication matters more than length. The conversation continues. I stay in the moment. Right now, I am speaking with flow, and it feels natural. Let your voice stay soft. Listen and repeat with me. When I speak English, I don't try to sound advanced. I try to sound natural. Natural English is simple and clear. That's what people really use. I choose phrases that feel easy in my mouth. I don't force difficult words. If I agree, I can say, "Yeah, that makes sense." If I'm unsure, I can say, "I'm not sure yet." If I need time, I can say, "Let me think for a second." That's completely normal. I allow my voice to sound relaxed. I don't push the sound. The calmer I feel, the better I speak. My English sounds smoother. Each phrase feels easier than before. Each repetition builds comfort. This is how English becomes natural. This is how I speak without thinking. Now slow everything down. Listen carefully and repeat. When I speak English, I trust my voice. I don't fight against it. I allow the words to come out naturally, even if they're not perfect. I finish my sentences with confidence. I don't cut myself off. I speak with what I know right now. That is enough. I don't wait to feel ready. Speaking is how I become ready. My English sounds better when I relax. Tension makes speaking harder. I let my breath guide my rhythm. Slow and steady. Every time I speak, I build trust. Trust in my voice. Trust in my English. Right now, I am speaking freely. Right now, I am thinking less. And I am speaking more. Let's slow everything down. This is the last speaking practice before we finish. Right now, I slow my voice. I don't rush my words. I feel calmer than before. My body is more relaxed. I notice how my English feels. It feels easier. I don't need to push myself. I already practiced enough today. Speaking English feels safer now. My confidence is growing. I take one last deep breath. I let the sound flow out.
I finish this practice calmly. I'm proud of myself for speaking. I'm ready to listen to a final tip and then rest my voice.
Now, Luna tips. When you finish speaking practice, stop. Don't overdo it. Your brain keeps learning even when you rest. Silence is part of the process. If you feel calmer after speaking, that's progress. That calm feeling matters. Come back tomorrow and repeat the same habit. Little steps create big changes. Trust the routine. Trust your voice. All right, my friend, that's today's practice. You slowed down, you spoke, and that's real progress. English doesn't grow with pressure, it grows with patience and repetition. Be gentle with yourself. Your voice is learning. Come back tomorrow. We'll keep building this together. Take one last breath, relax your voice, and I'll see you in the next practice.